anybody does anything crazy, you are fired. Rita, tell him to chill out, because I'm leaving tonight if he fucks with me. I'm really leaving. Ramsay. I'm not calling him Chef. I'm calling him Ramsay, and that's what I'm calling him.
Mr. Ramsay, at least. Call him Mr. Ramsay. Listen, respect he deserves.
He's coming!
Fuck my life.
He's already shit on the food. Like, I'm waiting for him to see us run the front of the house and yell at us about that.
Doug, tiramisu on? No. Can't be bothered?
Nope.
No, can't be bothered. Wow. Anyway, so take me through the line. Who's running what station?
Well, we usually don't work in stations.
You don't work on stations either? Holy shit, it's getting worse.
Oh, my God.
Every Saturday night, Boston's North End is packed.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you, honey?
And as a result, it's the one night that La Galleria 33 is filled with customers.
My name is Sarah, and I'm gonna be your server for tonight.
I'm gonna have this sausage cacciatore.
Give it Dio Francesca.
Dio Francesca.
Oh, my God, my nerves.
Sir, whenever it's ready, we can take table 1.
Doug, who talks to who? Who communicates there? Anybody? Doug, who communicates here?
I do, but
I can't hear anything. Who's
when things are ready, we just put them over there.
Oh, so there's no timing.
When that's ready, I said this was ready.
Chicken Alfredo, chicken Galleria.
Yeah, coming. Val.
You just dropped that on the floor. Look at me. You just dropped it on the floor.
Yeah.
You can't cook it. Doug, you just dropped it on the floor.
I know.
Rita, Lisa, both of you, just 2 seconds. Sorry, this is sending me crazy.
Hello, what?
He just dropped the chicken on the floor and put it back in the pan.
Wait a minute.
This one here. Come on, guys.
Serious, Doug? Wait a minute. He dropped it on the floor and cooked it? What do you mean?
Am I on my own here or what?
No, you're not. That's crazy.
Could you start that again or not?
What?
Can you start that again?
Right here.
It's there.
I say this is no.
That's the one that dropped on the floor.
It's okay. It's good enough to eat it.
I'm not here to make you look stupid. But wait, I stop a chef from serving fucking chicken he dropped on the floor. I mean, honestly, you guys look like a bunch of fucking idiots.
This is fucking crazy.
First thing, eggplant tower.
Okay.
Then I'll have the chicken wrapped shrimp, please. Finally, some fish. What would you recommend?
The salmon's fresh. It comes with potatoes and vegetables or pasta, any pasta you like.
But you wouldn't serve spaghetti with the salmon.
Yeah, people get it all the time because they like to take the pasta home usually.
Let's go for the salmon and spaghetti bolognese.
Okay.
Excellent. Thank you. Wow. 2 for 1.
Order.
You got it.
Is he sleeping over there? Is he? Shit.
Here we go, right here. Table 10's appetizers, please.
All right.
I'm very excited to show Chef Ramsay what I can do. I feel that there will be no faults in what I produce for him.
There you go.
Wow.
The eggplant tower.
Oh, my God.
When Chef Ramsay's appetizer was coming out, you could see his face like, what is this shit? I said, oh my God, we're dead.
That's definitely not homemade mozzarella. It's ghastly, stone cold, solid, and tasteless. How are you, madam? How was dinner?
Fair.
Fair. And what have you got in the bag? What is that?
Eggplant parmesan she has.
Oh, lovely. When will you have this? For lunch tomorrow?
Yeah.
So you're not coming back tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow.
Because you've got dinner there. Rock
I
hard
like your
mozzarella.
British accent.
Thank you. I like your lipstick. It's great spending time in the company of the Golden Girls.
Oh, the golden girl.
Exactly.
Kevin, bring it out.
Wow.
Chicken wrapped shrimp.
Thank you. Chicken and shrimp. Well, I've got the chicken, and where's the shrimp? Bingo. I'm struggling with that. Looks like chicken, tastes like shrimp. Or shit. Joe. They are solid. I've never had a shrimp that hard. Why would you stick a shrimp inside a chicken?
It's one of his creations, I guess.
Okay.
You ready?
Jesus. Yes, thank you, yeah. Thank you. Jesus.
Your shrimp was too hard. Rock hard, like a bullet.
Okay.
He says, why would you put shrimp inside of a chicken? He says, I don't get it. All right?
When the first dish came back, I was disgusted, pissed off. I wanted to prove him wrong. I wanted to show him my cooking skills, you know, are up to par. Somebody please run this fucking food.
That's the bolognese.
Thank you. Ooh la la.
And there's the salad.
Thank you.
Okay?
Christ almighty. Dry and absolutely hideous. Really sorry, it's dry, like really dry.
Okay.
Would you mind just...
Not a problem. Would you like another piece?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your salmon was too dry. He don't want another piece. He said this was brutal. Here you go. You want to taste it? Throw it out?
When it came back, I was just too pissed off to even taste it. I was furious at Chef Ramsay saying that my food is shit. Personally, I feel that it's the wrong opinion at this point. I'm fucking furious. I'm furious.
Stuffed jerk, coconut rum shrimp.
As the first orders come into the kitchen,
Okay, let's go, you guys. Let's go.
Kingston Cafe's complimentary salads get sent out to the diners.
Folks, your first course comes with every meal.
It's difficult to eat in this class.
The salad I ordered, is it going to be like similar to this?
It's going to be a little similar.
It is. Can I change my order?
Sure.
What the fuck is that in a martini glass?
The salad.
Salad? Daniel,
Yes.
who put the salad in a martini glass? Is there a doctor in the house? How many glasses?
There's trays in the corner there that they take.
Oh my God, you are kidding me. Jesus Christ. Who's doing all this? Oh my good God.
Gordon, if you continue like that, Jesus Christ actually gonna appear.
I hope so, because I think that's what's needed right now. Dressing a salad takes seconds. Tell me what's wrong with that.
It gets soggy and it's
Thank you.
nasty.
Turn around and tell the owner.
It's soggy and it's nasty.
It doesn't mean that it's really bad because he's never seen something like this before.
I want you dressing the salad in a bowl.
Okay.
Okay?
Even though he was just planning on observing, Chef Ramsay can't control himself and institutes his first change.
We've got fresh salads dressed to order and in a bowl. Well done. Excellent.
But Dr. Morris
Make sure it is warm.
is still the woman in charge,
Can you give a better piece of chicken? I don't like a better.
micromanaging whenever and wherever possible.
Is that warm?
Tastes like cardboard.
This is not Jamaican. There's no taste.
Can I have another piece of chicken? I don't like
You don't like this? Okay. They didn't like this. Who said that? The two old people right here?
If they're not Jamaican, they're not gonna like it.
Dr. Morris doesn't really like to hear a lot of complaints about the food. She does what she knows and wants to do.
What is that there?
Chicken breast.
Daniel.
Yes.
When was that cooked?
That was cooked yesterday.
Jesus Christ. Doctor,
Yes.
I can't believe we're doing this. That was cooked last night. It looks like a giraffe's tongue.
Okay.
Makes me feel validated, I guess, that the points that I've been making for months are the points that he's making now.
Do you have a dog at home? Don't feed them that.
Keone, just come over here.
Okay.
Now, Keone, he's really getting me very upset. Suppose I punch him out. Because, let me finish.
He's right around.
Let me finish, Keone. All he
Time out,
did,
Mom.
Keone, please be quiet. First of all, he wants us to cook everything fresh.
Why can't you do that?
You can't.
Yes, you can.
Jamaican food cannot be cooked fresh every day. Do you understand that?
Mom, we'll finish this later.
What is that there? Oh my God, you are kidding me. Bags everywhere. Christ almighty. Oh, please. What's that in the microwave?
Rice.
And when was that cooked?
4 days ago. When I first worked here, I was like, oh no. Really? Bags? Come on.
What's the addiction to bags? Is it a medical thing like donating blood in bags?
no.
Everything we've got is like in bags.
Where do you want to put it then?
If you're now going to tell me that rice tastes better in a bag inside the steamer, madam, I'm really sorry, but you've lost the plot.
I don't like when you disrespect me.
So if you can tell me where you think I've disrespected you.
You told me that I was crazy upstairs.
I'll tell you why. The practices and how you're running a restaurant is packed with stupidity. I didn't say that you are demented. Didn't say anything like that at all.
No, you specifically say like this. That's what you say to me.
Right, did you hear what I said?
Let me finish. If I say that to you, how would you feel?
I'm not a delicate, dainty flower. I'm going to take everything you say personally. But let me tell you something. The practices are ludicrous. Can I just show you something?
Ready?
No answer. Just feel that. It's frozen.
It couldn't be, well, okay.
Okay.
It should not be frozen.
Okay, well, it is frozen.
No.
No, don't tell me.
Okay, no,
okay,
let me
another chef. No, I've got to finish my sentence. Frozen, solid, disgusting, overcooked chicken. You're resisting it. That's fine.
No. I'm trying to say it should not be frozen if they did it yesterday.
I understand.
Okay.
But I've just told you it is. Right now, you're running a hospital kitchen full of bags. Fuck that. I'm out of here.
He may say I'm crazy, but certain things he says about you making food, I disagree with him. So I'm not crazy.
I think the doctor needs a doctor.